How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to reset a forgotten lock screen passcode on your iPhone. So if you can't remember your code, you can't get in, you just can't use your iPhone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove it and create a new one. Please keep in mind that this is the official Apple method, and this will only work if the iPhone is yours and you have forgotten your code. Let's begin. Okay guys, so the process itself is extremely simple, and all you have to do is type in any passcode, type in a wrong passcode on purpose. So let's go ahead and do that. So 1, 2, 3 times, 4, what's necessary here until we get to this page, iPhone unavailable. And what we have to do here is tap on forgot passcode. But that's the thing, maybe you won't see this option, and that's because in order to get to this page, which is necessary for our process, you need to be connected either to Wi-Fi or to cellular data, so 4G or 5G. Okay, so you need to have internet connection, and on top of that, your iPhone needs to have Find My enabled, and if you don't have it enabled, you won't be able to do it now because you can't remember the code. So if you just can't see the forgot passcode icon, I'm gonna have to redirect you to another video of mine. I'm gonna have a card right here at the top, link in the description, so you can go ahead to that other video because you'll need to do this with a computer. Okay, if you don't see the forgot passcode, you'll need a computer. If you can see, like it's our case right here, no computer necessary. We're gonna do it all straight from our iPhone. All right, so let's continue. The 1 minute has passed, so let's do it again. So on purpose, get the wrong code. Now it's a 5 minutes, no problem at all. Let's go ahead here and tap on forgot passcode, and as you can see right here, we have the option to simply go ahead and start iPhone reset. But there's a very important thing I need to tell you before. If you have changed your passcode in the past 72 hours, so if you have just changed your password for a new one and you just can't remember it, you will see a slightly different screen right here giving you the possibility to try your old passcode. So only if you have changed it in the past 72 hours. Okay, so you can go ahead, use the old one, and then you'll be able to gain access to your iPhone. But if you're like mine, so it's an old passcode, past 72 hours, you've been using it for months or years, your only option is to go ahead and start iPhone reset. And as you can see right here, you will require your Apple ID information, your Apple account information. So your email and your password. That's why this process will only work if the iPhone is yours, because you need your Apple account credentials. So you can go ahead and type in your password for your Apple ID, your Apple account, and then after you've done that, your iPhone will automatically erase. You lose all of your data. There will be a reset of your iPhone, but that's the only way, unfortunately. But of course, after that, you'll be able to recover all your data from a backup if you have a backup, all right? So there's no other way. You will have to reset and erase your iPhone. I can't stress this enough. This is super important, all right? So let's go ahead here and type in my password for my Apple account. Tap on done, let it do its thing, let it actually sign in. And then, as you can see, are you sure you want to erase all your data? So everything that I've just explained you, and this is very important, you have the possibility to keep your eSIM or delete your eSIM. Of course, if you're doing this, you want to keep your eSIM, all right? So let's keep. So we're gonna keep the eSIM and erase all of our data so you won't lose our SIM. And so, as you can see, your iPhone will start automatically resetting. You'll see the Apple logo and a progress bar. This will probably be around for a few minutes. It's not super long, it's actually pretty fast. Now you wait, just wait a couple minutes and we're good to go. And so after a couple minutes, we're good to go. Our iPhone is on the hello screen, reset to the factory settings, meaning that your old forgotten passcode is gone. As a matter of fact, there's no passcode here at all. Your iPhone is good to go. Of course, now all you have to do is set up your iPhone as you would, country, region, everything like that. Pretend your iPhone was bought today and you're opening it up out of the box for the very first time. Let me just show you very quickly how you can actually restore all your data from a backup. Just a second. And so after a few steps like putting your Wi-Fi and so on, you get to this page, transfer your apps and data, and right here you can choose if you want to restore your data from iCloud, from another iPhone, from Mac or PC, or even from an Android. So for example, if you do have an iCloud backup, you go ahead here, type in your Apple account, email, and password, that very same that we used to actually restore this iPhone when we didn't know the password, right? So type it in, and then if you have any available backups, you'll be able to go ahead and restore and get all your information back. And then of course, after a couple more steps here, you'll be prompted to create your new passcode, because as I said, your old one is gone. We have successfully removed it, and now it's a brand new life to you and your iPhone. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you on the next videos with you guys. Bye bye.